behind me, I got different pictures of different compressor manufacturers. We have Copeland, Bitzer, frazzcoolit, Bock, Durrin, lots of different manufacturers out there, and I highly recommend read all of them. It doesn't matter if you're working on that compressor or not, you're gonna find little tips and tricks that apply to all the different manufacturers. So you're like, Trevor, well, where do I find this? It's so hard, there's so much information. First step, if you're looking for Copelands in North America, you gotta go to Copeland.com website, go into support and product selection software. That's where you can start sizing, learning about them, diving into information on the North American Copelands. Next would be, if you're in Europe, the Copeland would be Copeland Select Software. So you dive in there. I think it's under support as well. Copeland Select Software, Copeland 8, whatever it is. That's an awesome one. You can download it, or it's a web version. The PSS one for North America is only download version. Next is the Bitzer software. This is an online version. This is a great software. You click in semi-hermetics, you go to CO2 refrigerant, and then you can find all the information, documents, operation envelope, all the tips and tricks that you need. Next will be Durrin. Super easy, Durrin.com. You click on the web software right there, and bam, online you can get all the information that you're looking for from Durrin. Next is frazzcoolit. If you want to go there, it's frazzcoolit.it. You click on support, you click on software downloads, you get to their download information, and you got to get into these and start reading them. The last one is Bock.de. This is another great manufacturer who has awesome information. You go to their website, click VAP, you get in there, and man, they have some great CO2 documents on their compressor. I highly recommend reading a lot of different ones. If you want to get better and fast track your CO2 knowledge, head to the Refrigeration Mentor website, click on upcoming courses, and get into one of these learning programs, because it's going to change the way you look at CO2 refrigeration, and it's going to fast track you. My name is Trevor Matthews. Let's get a conversation going.